Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file your taxes, full guide. Start by collecting W-2s, 1099, social security numbers, and receipt totals for deductions. Create an account with a reputable e-file service and securely enter personal data. Follow step-by-step prompts to enter income, adjustments, and credits. Double-check entries, review error warnings, and confirm your e-file submission for faster processing and direct deposit if eligible. Use your software to select Form 1040 and add applicable schedules based on your situation. Input wages exactly as shown on W-2 and report 1099 income line by line. Claim credits such as earned income or child tax when eligible and enter retirement contributions or HSA adjustments. Resolve alerts flagged by the software, preview your return for accuracy, and save a secure copy before submitting electronically. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep producing useful videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It maps rooms, follows voice commands, and actually avoids the socks on the floor, making post-tax cleanup effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a cleaner home while you handle returns. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully review every section and use the e-file service error check to catch missing fields or mismatched numbers. Confirm bank routing for direct deposit of refunds or set up payment if you owe taxes. Electronically sign with your PIN or e-file authorization and submit. After submission, save the confirmation number and a PDF of your return and monitor your email for acceptance from the IRS or state agency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.